guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm very happy that I got my tripod back and I started shooting with a well organized setup. If you people have noticed, everybody on internet is talking about ingredients of their skincare and hair care products, and I'm really happy that people are getting aware of the ingredients of their skincare and hair care products. Now we are moving back to the same era when our ancestors used to do their skincare and hair care rituals with all those natural ingredients, and nowadays it's really very difficult to find all those natural ingredients in their pure form. Nobody has time to invest in skincare or hair care, so are using ready-made products. And nowadays, whatever we are using, it's not necessary that it is infused with natural and pure ingredients. I'm very particular about my choices when it comes to skincare and hair care products, and I try my best to use those products that belongs to a trusted brand. And I have ordered some powders for my DIYs from Amazon. All of my skincare and hair products get stuck in between lockdown at my second home, and I don't have anything just to follow my skincare regimen because I didn't know that it will last for 3 to 4 months. And after that I have decided to place new orders. So rather than repurchasing those products that I already have, I really wanted to try out some new products for my skincare and hair care ritual. I really want to buy some hair care products because my hair health is not really good. My hair is really dry and frizzy. So I really wanted to invest in some good hair masks. I researched a lot about the products that are available in the market, whether it is from Mama Earth or Wow Skin Science. I have researched a lot about hair care mask and how can I make DIYs at home. But I ended up making a decision that I should not invest on such a mask that retails for rupees 600 and the quantity that I'm getting is very less than I can assume. If you are investing in a hair mask that retails for 600 rupees and the quantity is 200 ml, and for the people who have hair like me, I don't think so that their pockets will allow them to spend 600 bucks for these mask that will last just 2-3 weeks, because I'm not getting any PR or sponsorship from any brand. I can't spend a huge amount of money on my hair mask that I really need every time I wash my hair. So it would last me for 2 or 3 weeks maximum, according to the hair length. So I stumbled upon a product that is from Biotique, and it's their Biomusk Root. Yes, I have talked about this product in my earlier videos, and I have told you guys that I will try out it thoroughly and then let you know that how it works on me. So now it's time to talk about this product, that if it works for me, if it's worth buying or not. First of all, let me tell you, this product contains all the natural ingredients. I have contacted to the brand. I have also called them on the number that is given on this packaging, but there was no response from their side. At last I have done a mail and I am just waiting for their reply. My main concern about these products that if they don't contain any preservative, how they can last long, or if they contain natural preservative, then what is it, and if they contain a synthetic preservative, then why don't they mention it on the packaging? That's what I really wanted to know about this brand. Anyways, we were talking about the ingredients that are listed on the packaging. So all the ingredients are natural, like muleti, amla, baheda, harhar, jaifal, bhelfal, jatamansi, bhringraj, kikar-gond, neem bark, and purified water. So before lockdown, I used to apply some DIY hair mask on my hair, and I usually made them with these powders that I have ordered from Amazon, and these powders are from some brands that are affiliated, and all of them are made in India because all of these ingredients are Indian. All of my subscribers and all the people who are watching me need to understand that if you're using something which natural ingredients, it will take time. Miracle doesn't happen in a day, it takes time. And I have been using this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 products regularly, and I
used to add some neem powder, some fenugreek powder, and some onion paste with my hair mask, and I usually apply it on my hair at that time because I have frizzy hair and I really wanted to do something for my hair. So I ordered these a year back, and I continuously use them every time I wash my hair. Video, I will not talk about my DIYs or DIY hair mask. If you really want to know about how I use my DIY at home and what I usually mix in my DIY, let me know in the comment section. I've seen a lot of hair masks, but I really don't want to invest my money in those masks because my pocket doesn't allow me. So I stumbled upon this product and I thought of giving it a try. Nowadays I'm trying out a lot of products, and I'm trying out a lot of DIYs, and I generally make some of my DIYs with this product, and they really work amazing together. And I thought of sharing it with you guys, that how I do my DIYs and how I mix my DIYs with this particular hair mask to get its 100% outcome. See, the color is pretty much black. It does contain some fragrance, but it is not overpowering at all because I'm a person with a sensitive nose and I don't like some products of Biotic because of its fragrance. Although many of their products works wonders, but I really don't like them, and I don't like anything that contains a lot of fragrance. I avoid those products. I don't know why, but I have some internal issue, I don't know. So the uniqueness of this mask is not the ingredients of this mask, but the way I use this mask, and it contains a lot of good ingredients. Besides that, I usually mix it with some curd, with some rice water. I usually use fermented rice water with it, and it really works wonder.
So what you have to do, just take out 1 or 2 tablespoons of this hair mask in a bowl according to your hair length and add some curd into it. Make sure that the curd is of some thick consistency, because the curd that I'm using of thin consistency, that makes the hair mask a little runny and it will be difficult to apply. And mix all these ingredients well, and after this, so add 2 to 3 drops of castor oil. Castor oil really helps in thickening of hair. It makes your hair thick, lustrous, and also make them strong. Castor oil can be beneficial for hair regrowth if used correctly. Small amounts of plain oil can be used for an all-over treatment, and you can also mix it in hair mask the way I'm using it right now. As you can see, the consistency of hair mask is quite runny because of the curd that we have added into it. And now it's time for the miracle ingredient, that is fermented rice water. This rice water is widely used by the Yao ethnic minority in southern China, and they have traditionally used fermented rice water as a natural shampoo for centuries, and their hair doesn't start to grow gray until they are around 80 years old. And mix all these ingredients well. And guys, if you haven't tried rice water, I would suggest you to try it. I request you to just watch the videos of Yao ethnic tribe, how they use the fermented rice water, and this is how I am applying this hair mask all over my hair from root to the length.
If you know about curd, curd is a natural conditioner which is rich in protein, which hydrates your scalp and fixes the dry hair. And trust me guys, curd works wonder for frizzy hair. And if you have frizzy hair, start making a DIY with lots of curd and put it on your hair, and I bet you will not regret it. I usually mix it with some fermented rice water. It takes time to make a fermented rice water. It fixes the pH level of your hair and make the hair really soft and shiny. Rice water reduces your scalp issues, and it fixes the shine factor and makes your hair strong and smooth. So if you are someone who is not using anything on your scalp, guys, try out fermented rice water. The key ingredient of this product is obviously musk root, that is a Himalayan herb found on Himalayas, and it is really very difficult to get it. You can also order from Amazon, but I will not suggest you to order this small package, because I think this particular package retails me for 200 rupees, 200 for this, 200 for this, and 200 for this, and 200. So it retails me for 1000 to 1500 rupees just for powders. So instead of spending 1500 rupees on these powders, I will repurchase this product, because it only retails me for 400 rupees, and I can buy 3 of these containers in just 1500 rupees. Musk root is also responsible for hair growth, for stress relief, and many other things. And I must say, if you use this hair pack regularly, it will do something good with your hair. This product can last me for 4 to 5 months approximately, because little quantity goes a long way. I can apply it from the root to the length of my hair. I have been using this hair mask for a month right now, and I usually apply this hair mask every time when I wash my hair, and it is doing a stupendous job, guys. I will not comment anything about my hair length, if it increases or did anything for my hair length, but I must say that I really feel my hair health is getting better and better day by day. I'm battling a lot of hair fall problems nowadays. I don't know why. Maybe the climate is changing. Usually happens with me. My hair falls a lot when the climate changes, so that happens a lot of times with me. Guys, I must tell you that I have a dry, itchy and flaky scalp, and every time whenever you will peek into my head, you will see a lot of dandruff there. After using this, I get rid of dandruff. That's the first thing that I observe. I must say this product is doing well for my hair, and my hair health is really improving, and you guys should give this product a chance, because nobody is talking about this product. I don't know why. Everybody is talking about other brands, and I really feel that they are quite expensive for a pocket friendly person. I can't invest 600 rupees for every month in such an expensive brand. So I really want something affordable, and this is affordable and this is working well.
So guys, that's enough for today. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.